What if the future looked like the 1950s? Welcome to the world of Fantasy Milky, where dreams, style, and sci-fi collide. The golden sun sets over a shiny city with curved buildings and glowing lights. Then she appears, Fantasy Milky, with her bright red hair and a white outfit that turns every head. She walks with a smile, full of confidence and charm. At a classic diner, she sips a milkshake, playful and carefree, while neon lights spell her name. The scene changes to a drive-in theater, where rockets blast off on the big screen. She steps through a tunnel of glowing lights and floats weightlessly inside a spaceship, as if she owns the stars. On a strange, colorful planet, she dances under glowing skies and neon moons. In the final scene, Fantasy Milky stands on a rooftop overlooking a city of dreams. Rockets launch into the sky as the golden sun shines bright. The words Fantasy Milky light up the horizon, a story of beauty, adventure, and a future that feels like a dream.